Hi guys, and welcome to Data Alchemy. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the aggregate functions. The aggregate functions are functions that are already built in SQL. There are five functions, aggregate functions. The most used ones are five. Okay, so what are these five functions? These are the sum, count, min, max, and average. Okay, so the sum to do a sum, the count to count a number of rows, the minimum to determine what is the minimum value from a column, the maximum to determine what is the maximum number in a column, and the average allow us to know what is the average number in a given column. Okay, so let's get started, and the good news is that we are going to use another table. Okay, so select all from not employees but sales this time. Okay, so we have in the first column sale ID, product ID, product name, category, quantity sold, price per unit, and sale date. Okay, so for example I want to know what is the total of quantity sold. We are going to use the sum function, so we type select and sum, and we open a parenthesis to type the name of the column that we want to do a sum of it. Okay, so in our case it's quantity sold. We close the parentheses, it's this column right here. Okay, and then we type from sales semicolon, and 164 is the total quantity sold. Okay, let's say I want to know how many products I have in my sales table. Okay, so yes, it's obvious that we have 10 products, but in case you have a table with more than 1,000 rows, it's very difficult, especially if you have duplicates. But forget about it right now. So we type select, count, and we type we open a parenthesis and we type the name of the column that we want to count how many rows we have within that column. In our case it's product name, it's this column right here. Okay, and we close the parentheses and we type from sales, and it's 10 products. Okay, so we have 10 products that are available in our sales table. Let's say I want to know what is the maximum price I sell. Okay, so I type select max, I open the parentheses and I type the name of the column, which is price per unit. Okay, oops, per unit from sales, and the maximum price is 999.99 cents. Okay, and let's say I want to know what is the minimum. I just type select min price per unit, I close the parentheses from sales, and the minimum price is 19.99 cents. And if I want to know what is the average price, I just type select AVG for average and price per unit. I close the parentheses, from sales, and the average price is 347 and 49 cents. Okay, so guys, I can't stress enough how important the aggregate functions are. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and as usual, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will be very happy to answer it. And don't forget to like and to press the subscribe button. And yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.